Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate the average in Excel. Here I have data of 5 employees and their sales in 4 quarters. To calculate the average, click on the cell where you want the result. Now type equal average. Excel will show suggestions while typing. Select average. Then click on the first person's Q1 sales and drag till Q4. You can also type the cell range manually, for example B2, E2. After that, press enter and Excel will instantly calculate the average. The best part, if you change any sales value, the average will update automatically. Now you don't need to repeat this for all employees. Just click on the bottom right corner of the first average cell. When the small plus sign appears, drag it down and Excel will calculate the average for everyone. Next, let's calculate the average of each quarter across all employees. Thanks for watching.